Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 3 p.m. And from 12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Holden, or 10 miles west of Long Branch, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Middletown, Marlboro, Manalapan, Seton Falls, Holdell, Red Bank, Kingsburg, Patully, Highlands, East Freehold, Robertsville, Yorktown, Elbarrett, and Quebec. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m.